Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 7 tips to get lots of Robux, and please donate. And your percentage will be more. Okay, so the tip number 1. If you have BC, I recommend going to voice chat only because you can talk to people easier. You can overreact. Speaking about overreacting, let's do tip number 2. You want to overreact a lot. Even if someone says give you 2 Robux, right? You'll still want to overreact. Tip number 3. You want to go to these edges. So this edge. You don't want to go in here because they won't really go. The most edges that I like is this one. You spawn here. I usually go here for some reason. I don't know if it's just me. Okay. The 3rd tip. You're gonna have lots of buttons that you can choose from. Let's find someone who barely has buttons. This guy barely has buttons, but it's good amounts. Let's find. Okay. Saving up for my dream item. Speaking about that, let's go to tip number 4. You must have a goal, a good reason why you want Robux. If it just says please donate, please donate. That's not a good reason. So let's say I bought it. I'm not buying, bro. But let's say they'll feel I feel generous, Okay, and now you want to edit your stats, make it pop. So I'm gonna put a good stat, a booth. What booth do I have? This one. If you want this one, something that matches your theme, I dream of getting this much Robux. So you want to put a dream booth this, and then the text let's say, bro. This, for example, I dream. You also want to use your color font, the text color, so it's more readable. Like that, instead of white. If you have a white background for your text. Okay, now if you have a goal, you don't want to do 600 Robux. Instead, you want to do the closest number that people can afford. So I want 600 Robux, but people won't do that because that's so much. Instead, you want to put 510 so they can buy it easy, and so they can think oh yes, I made their dream come true, which you're actually not. It's actually 600. But yeah, and then after that, 510. So you want to have 515 or 20, and then you keep repeating. You know what I mean. Okay, on to the next tip. A noob avatar. Don't forget your animation, to do it. Yep. Now here's if you and it will mostly work. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you came this far, if you want to support me, please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace. Also, when I was recording, something crazy happened. And also, since I was overreacting, someone literally gave me 5 Robux. Just watch. This was crazy. Also, thanks for watching. Bye!